How to enable restricted mode on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable restricted mode on YouTube. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And now, once you have opened the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings section, simply tap on the general option. And now here in this section, you can see the option labeled as restricted mode. So simply toggle on that option. And once you have toggled on that option, it will help you to hide potential mature videos that has no filter. And that's it. That's how you can enable restricted mode on YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.